Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. A fat cat. Again. A fat cat. Your turn to read, children. A red mat. Again. A red mat. Your turn to read, children. A sad boy. Again. A sad boy. Your turn to read, children. A big bat. Again. A big bat. Your turn to read, children. Box of toys. Again. Box of toys. Your turn to read, children. A hot pot. Again. A hot pot. Your turn to read, children. Big red car. Again. Big red car. Your turn to read, children. The big web. Again. The big web. Your turn to read, children. The fat rat. Again. The fat rat. Your turn to read, children. My new bag. Again. My new bag. Your turn to read, children. My red pen. Again. My red pen. Your turn to read, children. A wet mop. Again. A wet mop. Your turn to read, children. My big net. Again. My big net. Your turn to read, children. On the bus. Again. On the bus. Your turn to read, children. In the car. Again. In the car. Your turn to read, children. A red bug. Again. A red bug. Your turn to read, children. A fat hen. Again. A fat hen. Your turn to read, children. The red hen. Again. The red hen. Your turn to read, children. Pig and fox. Again. Pig and fox. Your turn to read, children. A tin can. Again. A tin can. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. A fat cat. A red mat. A sad boy. A big bat. Box of toys. A hot pot. Big red car. The big web. The fat rat. My new bag. My red pen. A wet mop. My big net. On the bus. In the car. A red bug. A fat hen. The red hen. Pig and fox. A tin can. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.